1. Open your browser and go to Google Scholar. 2. In the search bar, type relevant keywords or phrases related to your topic of interest. For example, if you are researching emotional quotient in medical education. 3. Use quotation marks to search for exact phrases. For example, searching for emotional intelligence in medical education will return results that contain this exact phrase. 4. Combine keywords with Boolean operators to refine your search. Examples: and default retrieves results that include all the terms, e.g. medical and health. Or retrieves results with either term, e.g. medical or health. Not excludes results with a specific term, e.g. medical student, not dental. 5. After performing a search, use filters on the left side to narrow your results by date range, e.g. since 2020 for recent papers. Sort by relevance or by date. Include citations to get full references or exclude patents to focus on academic papers. 6. Look for links to PDFs or external websites to access the full text. If full text isn't available directly, you may need to use purposefulness. 7. Check how many times a paper has been cited to determine its influence. Highly cited papers are usually significant in the field. 8. Set up email alerts by clicking on Create Alert in the left-hand sidebar. This will notify you when new papers are published on your topic. 9. Use the cited by and related articles links to find more papers that build on or are similar to your results. 10. For managing your references, you can export citations to reference managers like Mendeley, Zotero, or EndNote. Click on the quotation mark icon under each result to copy citations. Here's a step-by-step guide for creating a mind map after reading 3 articles, along with an example based on emotional quotient and medical education. Step 1. Read and understand the article. Carefully read the article, identifying the main topic, supporting arguments, key details, and examples. Highlight or make notes of crucial points. Step 2. Determine subtopics. Break down the main topic into 3 to 5 subtopics or themes. These could be major findings, arguments, or aspects the article explores. Example: in Emotional Quotient as a strategy for medical students' character building, subtopic or themes are 1. Self-awareness, 2. Self-regulation, 3. Empathy, 4. Social skills, 5. Motivation. Step 3. Add key points and details. For each subtopic, include relevant key points, examples, data, or findings discussed in the article. Connect these to their respective subtopics using lines. Example: in self-awareness subtopic. Key points: recognizing personal emotions during stressful situations, e.g. exams, clinical practice. Understanding emotional triggers and responses. A student reflects on feelings of anxiety during patient consultations, realizing they need to improve their emotional response under pressure. Data/findings. Research shows that self-aware medical students are better at maintaining composure during clinical assessments. Step 4. Incorporate relationships and insights. Use arrows or lines to show relationships between different subtopics and how they influence each other. Example of connections: self-awareness left-right arrow empathy. A strong sense of self-awareness leads to better understanding of patients' emotions. Self-regulation left-right arrow social skills. Managing emotions aids in building positive relationships and effective teamwork.